Listing products on TikTok Shop shouldn't feel like trial and error. With QuickSync, your Shopify products are ready for TikTok automatically. The right category already handled. QuickSync reads your product title and description and selects the best TikTok category. It's also optimized for regions such as US, Southeast Asia. All the required fields that TikTok asks for, such as material, target gender, country of origin, are filled in for you. No manual work, no missing data. Your titles are optimized even before they go live. If they are too short, they are expanded. If they include restricted words or formatting issues, they are cleaned up. Your listings pass TikTok rules from the first time. And your descriptions stay exactly like you designed them. Formatting is preserved, images are supported, and if the content is too long, it's automatically trimmed to fit TikTok limits. No rejections, no back and forth. Just a smooth, automated way to list your Shopify products on TikTok Shop. Start syncing today with QuickSync.